This is Catherine Connors speaking to you from East Feliciana Parish, Louisiana. If anybody had told me that I would be a convicted felon, now I wouldn't believe it. Basically, because the district attorney didn't bother to investigate the bad allegations of a crooked contractor and arrested me and falsely arrested me. And as a result of that, I filed a complaint and put the story on YouTube, my First Amendment rights. And basically, this is why I was convicted. Anytime your financial institution or any party admit that they made the mistake and they did you wrong or whatever, then that's an admission that on somebody else's part that you did not commit the crime that you're being accused of. And therefore, I feel like any moral conscious judge, when he learns from your pre-sentence investigation that you actually did not commit this crime and the bank is taking responsibility for it, should immediately overturn your conviction. But he chose not to, and therefore my conviction remained. I appealed to the First Circuit Court of Appeals, and they agreed with the district court, but did say that restitution should be based on my income, which at the time was $558. Probation officer told me that the judge wanted me to pay $388. That's a harsh punishment, and I feel like it's retaliatory, and he wants me to suffer, and it's not right. And I feel like any court officers that can trash your life like this court has done me and my son, and no evidence whatsoever of us doing anything, any kind of criminal acts, but can just run you in and out of court at will. They can do anything they want. Something needs to be done about prosecutorial and judicial misconduct in in the United States, but particularly in Louisiana, since it is the incarceration capital of the world. Nobody could tell me my rights would have been taken from me, my right to vote, my rights to bear arms or whatever would have been taken from me over some mess like this, basically because I exercised my First Amendment rights. Through this medium, I'm calling on any activists, the governor of Louisiana, the Louisiana Ethics Board, any organization that investigates a person's human rights to respond to this video, and let me and my son present the evidence that we have, that we committed no crime, but we are victims of a retaliatory, I feel like, court and court officers. And I say to the people, or the citizens of East and West Feliciana Parish, we need to get together. We need to encourage people to run for office that has the interests of everybody in mind, and not just select group of people or special interest people, but someone that has the interests of all the people, and to root this kind of corruption out of this parish, because it isn't right. Anytime you come to court court or any place where you are hearing, you present evidence, you should be able to present your evidence and be judged by the evidence that you present, not because somebody has it in for you, whatever. If you have evidence to clear yourself, then it should be considered, and that court should hear that evidence and dismiss you and let you go about your business, instead of having you coming in and out of court, coming in and out of court. It's very important that we have public elected officials in office that have the best interests of the people, because oftentimes when we don't, then that's when corruption comes in, and once it's in, it's very hard to get rid of, and it's very difficult then for, like, lawyers that would argue your case. They don't want to deal with it, because if it's a bad court or whatever, they don't want to deal with the court officers, and that's bad. And so I say again, the East and West Feliciana Parish, we need to get together. We need to start looking at the way cases are being handled in our court here, and like I said, get behind, encourage somebody, candidates to run for office that has the interests of all the people. Thank you.